Alright, so this time we're going to look at the Fern Indusium. It's a really close up, and we're going to focus in on the sporangia that are tucked inside those underneath the Indusium. So we'll kind of start with the overall structure of the cross section through the fern leaf. So we're going to have an upper and lower epidermis, and on this fern leaf in this particular species we have a structure that helps protect this developing sporangia and spores underneath. Kind of reminds me of a little umbrella. Okay, so that entire thing is the Indusium. And you have the cross section through the leaf there. You can even see some palisade and some spongy layer in this leaf. We've kind of already talked about that stuff. What I really want you to get to, though, are these sporangia. Kind of look like little lollipops. And on one side, there's going to be a special ring thickened area. And then the thinner area to the other side. And within here, we'll have spores at maturity that will disperse out of this sporangia. Okay, I'm going to pause that, do a little fill-in. Okay, and so I've done a little bit of fill-in with the cells where you can see the spongy layer and the palisade and a couple of epidermal layers. So now let's really look in at the sporangia and give some color to those different cells. Alright, so here's our fern. All of this leaf-like material, the frond, is sporophyte tissue. It's considered to be diploid. The Indusium itself is diploid as well. And then the parts that make up the sporangium are also diploid. However, inside the sporangium, meiosis has taken place, and so the spores are haploid. And then the annulus, that is part of the sporangium, so it is also diploid. Okay, and that's going to be this entire ring of cells around the outside here, kind of a little jacket.